This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Online Advanced includes the Performance Center, where you can find essential reports and built-in charts. You can even create your own charts to track specific data to see how your business is growing. Let's go over where you find built-in performance charts and also how you can design your own custom charts. Go to Reports and select Performance Center to get started. Your Performance Center will have some pre-built charts, and you can also add your own. First, you see insights about your business, such as revenue, expenses, and profit trends. Select an insight, such as your revenue against peers in your industry, to take a closer look. When you open some insights, such as revenue trend, you'll also see a breakdown of how QuickBooks built the insight and what factors drive the trend. Next, you see pre-built charts. QuickBooks uses your industry, location, and accounting method to build your info. If something doesn't look right, select Settings to change it. Move your cursor onto a bar or line to get more detail. You can customize the date range of some charts. Use this menu to change what a chart shows you, export the info, or delete the chart. If you want to change where a chart appears in the Performance Center, select it, and then drag it to where you want it to stay. You can also change the size of your charts. If you want to build something new, select Add New Chart. You can set up a chart to track any of this info. Let's track some expenses. Select Continue.
Give your chart a name. Then choose the date range you want to look at. You can easily change this later. Choose the kind of information you want to see. Let's select Expenses. Now select the specific things you want to see on your chart. You can choose up to 10 options. Each will have their own line or bar on the chart. You can set more filters to choose what does and does not appear on your chart.
You can also compare this data to info from other accounting periods to measure your performance over time.
A trend line chart works great if you want to compare the performance of the selected items over a period of time, like on this chart. Vertical bars work best if you just want to see a single total for each piece of data that the chart tracks. A great example is a vertical bar chart that tracks the net profit for your current projects. If you make a mistake and want to start over, select Reset All. Once you're done, select Add to Dashboard. Now your new custom chart shows up at the top of the Performance Center. The rest of your team can also see it if they have the right permissions. Now you can set up your own custom charts and define what success means for your business.